Hello, my name is Nikolai Nikitkin, and today we'll be going over a brief overview of our ScrewDrivers print management platform. To start things off, we'll be looking at this administration dashboard and the various print approaches we have. Then we'll discuss the end user experience and finish up with some of our reporting functionality. So looking at this administration dashboard, there's a couple of things I want to highlight here. First off, we're able to assign printers on any level of the Active Directory, whether that's a group, OU, user, or workstation. And also we're able to assign printers on a variety of different factors, such as network IP ranges. So as users come and go from different locations and different network segments, they get the correct printers based on that location. As far as print approaches go, we have two main ones, those being print server printing and direct IP printing. Print server printing focusing around our ScrewDrivers virtual driver and eliminating any print drivers on the various endpoints you might have, while direct IP printing is more focused around managing native drivers within our database and deploying those direct IP print queues to your end users. Regardless of the print approach you pick, we'll take a look at the end user experience to see what those printers look like on the end user side of things. Alrighty, we're at the end user part of the demo now here. And what we're looking at here is our ScrewDrivers printers app with a floor plan pulled up. So the ScrewDrivers printers app has the ability to do self-service printing for end users, and that can be done via a list or in this case via a map. And so a user is able to click on the printer they want to add, click add printer, and it will add that for them on the fly. You'll see these printers disappear and reappear in a couple of seconds, and I can show you how quickly our printers recreate here for you. Regardless of the approach, whether it's direct IP or print server, printers show up as normal. However, I will point out here that this Zebra label printer is one of our print server printers, and this is the industry unique functionality that I was mentioning earlier with our print preferences streaming. So we're able to use our virtual driver here. However, when I click on preferences, we're able to pull down the native print preferences directly from the print server for the end user, thus giving the users their full native functionality without any driver requirements here. Now that we have an idea about what the end users experience, let's quickly talk about how we can report on their various print jobs and their print activities. And now we're looking at our ScrewDrivers reports dashboard here on the admin side of things. There's a couple of things to point out here. We can customize our dashboards in any number of ways. We can report on a wide variety of things in regards to the various print jobs, number of print jobs, who printed it, which printer it came out on, was it color, was it black and white, at exactly what time did the job initiate and finish, and then any of the finishing functionality, such as was this duplex, was the color, was it black and white, and all of those various things. We're also able to report on the SNMP status of all those printers. So if printers broadcast over SNMP, this will give you a nice list of actions to take if any of those printers are in red and they need service. So all in all, that's all I have for this brief overview of ScrewDrivers. If you have any questions, please contact our sales team, and we'll be more than happy to give you a more in-depth look at the solution.